Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Creme Brulee coffee. Bloom 2 tablespoon fine ground coffee in 1/4 cup hot water, then pull a 1:1. 5 Oz espresso shot or strong brew. Stir in 1/3 cup warmed milk and 2 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk. Pour into a cup, top with 1 tablespoon sugar, torch until caramelized, and enjoy a creamy, crunchy finish. Measure and prep ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. Heat milk gently to avoid scalding and dissolve condensed milk fully for even sweetness. Use a small bowl to bloom the coffee for 20 to 30 seconds, then add espresso or strong brew. Pour the milk mix over the coffee and sprinkle sugar evenly on top. Keep a torch handy and work on a heat-proof surface for the caramel finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after coffee runs, and it pairs oddly well with a warm caramel cup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Warm, steady technique makes the best Creme Brulee coffee. Hold the torch about 3 to 4 inches away and move continuously to melt sugar uniformly without smoking. If you lack a torch, broil very briefly under a hot oven grill on a heat-proof tray. Taste and tweak sweetness and strength in small steps so you preserve texture and the signature crunchy top without overpowering the coffee flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.